Hi, this is SMPL Code. In today's video, I will briefly show you how to set up Prettier in Visual Studio Code. Let's do it. As I said, this is going to be pretty easy, and all we're going to need is Visual Studio Code and the Prettier extension, one of the many extensions that Visual Studio Code provides. All the links you need are in the description. Without further ado, let's set up Prettier. To get started, open Code and click the extensions icon, type Prettier in the search bar and click the magnifying glass icon. Select the official Prettier extension from the list. Finally, click the install button. The Prettier extension will now be installed in VS Code. With Prettier installed on the platform, you can now use it to format your code. You can do this manually for each document, or you can set it to format the code when you save it. We will explore both methods. We will start with a manually formatted document. Open the Command Center by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P on your keyboard, or Command plus Shift plus S on a Mac and search format in the search bar. Then pick Format Document click on Prettier Code, format it to format the code. And that is it. Your code is now formatted so that it has all the quotes, semicolons, and spaces it needs. To format the document, automatically open the VS Code settings menu by pressing Control plus comma if you are a Windows user, or Command plus comma if you're using a Mac. Go to the search bar and type in Editor, format on save, and make sure it is checked. Prettier is now automatically configured and will format your code when you hit save. You can also decide whether you want to apply the formatting to specific workspaces or everywhere by default, as we have done now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.